In this video, I will show you how to unlink PUBG mobile account from Facebook. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're signed in into the account to where your PUBG mobile account is connected to, and then click on this menu button at the top right of your screen. So on the menu section, click on Settings and Privacy, and under this you'll find Settings. So click on Settings, and this will take you into your account settings. So in here, go ahead and scroll down and then look for the apps and websites button. So click on that. You'll find that under the your activity. And then in here, you'll be able to find all of the applications connected into your Facebook account. So go ahead and click on that PUBG application. And then in here, you'll find this remove button. So click on this remove button and then confirm the removal of the connection between your Facebook account and your PUBG account. So after that, you'll be able to find PUBG gone from the list of apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. And that is how you can basically unlink PUBG mobile account from Facebook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.